Hey there, my name is Sadat. I'm a grad student pursuing a master's degree in biology. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll be talking about why you should eat eggs that look like this and stay as far away as possible from eggs that look like this. In this image I took, you can see a non-organic factory farmed egg alongside an organic pasture-raised egg. The stark contrast between the yolk color of the two eggs in this image is evident. It's the nutrient richness of the yolk on the bottom that causes it to have that deep orange color, as opposed to the pale yellow color of the egg above. In fact, some eggs can get even more of a deep orange color than the pasture-raised egg in this image. It all depends on the diet and lifestyle of the chicken that laid the egg. The more diverse and nutrient-dense the chicken's diet, the more nutrient-dense her eggs will be. Farmer Jenny Harris of White Oak Pastures told me that they sometimes get egg yolks so nutritious that they're almost red in color. They call them blood yolks. Blood yolks come from chickens that had outstanding diets and natural lifestyles. And you can bet your bottom dollar that they have a lot more nutrients than the eggs that came from chickens in factory farming systems. Organic and pasture-raised are terms to look for when shopping for eggs at the store. Words like natural or wholesome farms are not enough. Pasture-raised means that the chickens were raised on pastures where they had plenty of exercise, fresh air, sunlight, and access to natural foods. For chickens, natural foods mean a huge diversity of bugs, plants, and seeds, as well as a well-sourced grain feed that is free of pesticides. You are what you eat. If you want to be healthy, you have to eat healthy organisms that were part of a healthy ecosystem. That is the foundational principle of a new diet I am spreading throughout the internet, known as the ecological diet. The ecological diet has helped me lose over 50 pounds of fat, and honestly, it has helped my health in so many other ways because it increased my health at the cellular level. Eating more nutrient-dense foods was the main tool in my arsenal that helped me transform my body from this to this. Think about this for a second. The reason we go from potato-sized babies to adults weighing well over 100 pounds is due to the energy we obtained from all the food we've ever eaten. That's why high-quality foods makes up the majority of my diet. I'm not in the business of saving a few bucks just to put garbage into my system. The human body is a complex system, and as basketball player Chris Bosh's father once said, you can't be putting regular gas in a Ferrari. The bottom line is, eat healthy organisms if you want to be healthy yourself. Also, it just so happens that if you eat this kind of food, you support the natural production of food on planet Earth. In other words, eating this way is very, very good for our environment. It's actually one of the absolute best things you can do to support nature and wild spaces. Improper agriculture and land usage is the #1 cause of environmental destruction on our planet today. However, increasing demand for truly organic foods that came from ecosystems is like lifeblood for the biodiversity of Earth because it creates a demand for ecological farming. Having an ecological diet and eating nutrient-dense foods that came from ecosystems is truly a win-win. Please check out the links in the description of this video to read about a big project I'm currently working on. Simply put, I'm creating an eco-village where all the food produced will come from the land. From ecosystems. I've included the link in the description of this video. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Make sure you gave it a like, feel free to leave a comment, and share it with others too to spread this invaluable knowledge. Until next time, and remember, keep it wild.